In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recurring transactions in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant handling multiple accounts, understanding your recurring transactions is crucial for efficient financial management. So let's dive in and make your QuickBooks experience smoother and more productive. To begin, you'll want to head to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, and it's your gateway to accessing all the features QuickBooks offers. After clicking Sign In, you'll be presented with several options. Here, you should choose QuickBooks Online. Selecting this option will direct you to the appropriate sign-in page tailored for QuickBooks Online users. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need to type in your email address or username and your password. These credentials are what protect your financial data, so be sure you enter them correctly. If you've forgotten your password, QuickBooks provides a straightforward way to reset it, ensuring you can regain access promptly. After entering your credentials, hit continue and you'll be logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you're inside your account, look towards the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a section labeled Transactions. Click on this tab. This area serves as the hub for all your financial transactions, offering detailed insights into your account activity. It's a powerful feature giving you a comprehensive overview of your finances. Within the transactions section, you'll find various categories, and one of the options you'll notice is recurring transactions. Go ahead and click on recurring transactions. This will lead you to a page where you can view and manage all transactions that have been set to recur automatically at specified intervals. You might want to set up recurring transactions to simplify managing regular invoices, bills, or other financial activities, ensuring they are timely and consistent. Now, with these steps, you can easily monitor and verify all your recurring financial transactions in QuickBooks. Doing so not only helps in keeping track of your business expenses, but also aids in budgeting and forecasting future finances. As you explore, don't hesitate to tweak or review your transaction settings to suit your evolving business needs. By following these steps, you've effectively used QuickBooks to its full potential, allowing you to focus on what really matters: growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Happy accounting!